Hello students, welcome to Standard 4th, Subject Science, Lesson number 11, Force, Work and Energy. In the last topic, we had learnt about what is work said to be. Work is said to be done only when the force applied on an object causes it to move through a distance. When work is difficult to do with our hands, we use machines. A simple machine is a tool that makes our work easier and faster with the use of less energy. In the last session, we had also learned about lever and pulley and their use in our daily lives. Now, are you ready to learn about other simple machines? So let's start. Wheel and axle. Can you think of things that have wheels? Almost all vehicles have wheels. These wheels have a rod connected to them. This rod is called the axle. The axle moves the wheel. For example, bicycle. Bicycle wheels are attached to the axle and we move the axle with pedals, and the faster we move the axle, the faster the wheels move or the cycle moves. Moving heavy objects becomes easier with the help of a wheel and axle. Now let's learn another simple machine. Inclined plane. An inclined plane is a sloping surface that is used to push or pull heavy objects to a certain height. A simple smooth board placed at an angle can be used as an inclined plane. You must have seen heavy cartons being loaded onto a truck by pushing them up on inclined board. How do we use inclined planes? We use them in homes and buildings to help people go up instead of using stairs. Screws and wedges are two types of inclined planes. Next is screws. A screw is actually an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder that has a sharp pointed end. Let's do an activity which shows that a screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder. For this, you need paper cutout where one of the angles is a right angle, scale, pencil, screw. Draw lines along the longest side of one of the triangles with the pencil. Now place the triangle such that the shortest side is closest to the side of the pencil and roll the paper around the pencil. The lines will resemble this thread of the screw. Now tape this paper onto the pencil. Rotate the pencil and observe the lines on the paper. On a screw, these lines are called threads. Screws are turned with the help of a screwdriver. As they rotate, they also move forward. So, they help to attach things to each other. Next is wedge. A wedge has at least one inclined plane ending in a sharp edge. This sharp edge helps to cut things. A good example is an axe with which we cut wood. So students, here we have completed all 6 simple machines. Hope you must have understood this topic. Thank you.